from Zhongshan Wuling Lighting Company. Zhongshan Wuling Lighting Company. Hello, is Casey or Miss Lee? Miss Lee, am I calling you right? Hello, Zhongshan Wuling Lighting. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hi,
Hi.
I'm Jane. Hello. Is this Casey from Wuling?
Yeah, I think it's buffering. The signal maybe not good, so it's buffering. You cannot see the
buffering.
video.
Okay, don't worry. I can wait. Take your time.
Okay, I think now it works. Yeah.
It works.
Now it's perfect.
Hi, good afternoon, Casey. I'm Jane.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Nice to meet you.
So I think I will introduce one product. Since last time, we already show our office and showroom. This time, I just want to introduce one product to our customers.
Very good. Thank you. Here you go.
Okay. We have been in. Okay. I think it's just still buffering. Hope it's good now.
It's working. Okay. It's working fine.
Okay. As you know, we have been in this field about 15 years, and we are professional manufacturer of LED rope lights and strip lights. Today, I'm going to recommend one of our hottest selling product, and it's this 5 meters LED flex new. Right now, this product is on mass production in our factory. It's very hot selling. And I think from 5 or 6 aspects, I'd like to show our customers our products. First, from its material. This product, it can work even it's in the very low temperature. Like as we all know, in Russia, in the winter, it's very cold. Yeah, in Russia, it's very cold in the winter. So this product, it will work even minus 47 centigrade. It can still work.
Minus 40 centigrade. Wow, that's really cold.
Yes, minus.
Minus, yeah.
Yes, minus 7 centigrade. So even in Russia, no problem. And to the high temperature, it can work till 87 centigrade.
87.
Yes, and the second is UV resistance. It's very safe, UV resistance. And third, the material is very soft. As we all know, the silicone is very soft, right? We can make many different designs or characters as we want. But silicone, the price is very high. But this material is very soft. You can, I already lighted one piece. It's very soft. You can bend it, fold it as you want, and you can make many designs.
Wow.
But the price is much lower than the silicone. And also it's environmental friendly. You know, if some factory, they use the cheaper quality, even you light it up some time, there will be a bad smell comes out of this light. But this light from our factory, I already lighted the whole day. Since yesterday, I already lighted up, just the agent. But this no smell comes out of this it. No smell. It's very environmental friendly. And also the fourth, I will show you the material of ours and others. The light effect is the best, is the most important thing. All customers, they buy the product, they will care about the light effect. I lighted one from other factory and one from our factory. This one is from our factory, and this is from others. We call both purple. But I think this, I'd rather call it rose gold. It's not purple. This is ours, it's purple. You can see the light effect.
Okay.
This 1 point up to 1 point, I think we call it dark area. And ours, there's no dark area. For the purple, it's the most difficult because in this area, manufacturer, they found it very difficult to do the purple in the flex union without dark area. But we make it very nice, very perfect effect without a dark area.
So the lighting effect, yeah, in very difficult showing or the preference of a purple lighting effect, and you can overcome the difficulties and make big advantage comparing to products from other companies. So your factory is winning on this side.
Yeah, yes.
That's really good.
Yes, the price also similar. The price is very similar. You can similar, same price, but I think if I'm the customer,
Totally
of course I will choose this one.
Of course.
And you know this dark area, this side, because they use less material, they reduce the thickness of this side. So there's also a light linkage. The light comes out of this side. Actually, it should come from this side, not this side, because they reduce the thickness of the light. So the light comes from this side. But we use we don't reduce our thickness. We make our price good and our quality good. I think I'd like to recommend this product to our customer. The material from the price or the material, I think we have confidence in this product.
Great. Any other products you want to show, or this is?
Today I just want to show this product. I think many more new items I will show next time, as we already showed the showroom and our workshop last time. So I think this time maybe no need. I just want to recommend this product.
You are so right, because every time we want to find some new, some surprised products to highlight and make our eyes just open up. Yeah, and I think your introduction of this product is quite, you seize the advantage and you seize the highlights, and you, how can I say? Actually, I'm commenting on this video call. I see the commenting, wow, this young lady, quite beautiful and so fluent English, and you're expressing this self-confidence, and you are so familiar with your product, and you just show the very best of the introduction of the product. It's so good. It's so good. Thank you. Thank you.
So let's call it today. Have a good day.
Totally. Have a good day too. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.